Hey there, I'm reviewing the SUNUV Hema Free 16 Color Gel Nail Polish Kit. The kit is completely HEMA-free, making it a better choice for those with sensitive skin or allergies. It includes 16 vibrant gel polish colors that offer a wide range of options from classic white, bold black, delicate pink, natural nude, striking silver, and glitter finishes. The set comes with a base coat and a top coat to ensure your manicure lasts and maintains a smooth, glossy finish. The polish is easy to apply and cures quickly under a UV or LED lamp, making it ideal for both professional salons and DIY projects at home. This manicure kit is a perfect gift for nail enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different styles and colors. Highly recommend it for its quality, variety, and user-friendly formula.